Good day, grade 6. This is Servant Son. We are now in quarter 4, week 5, mathematics 6. Before I proceed to our lesson, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more mathematics video. Solving word problems using data presented in a pie graph lesson. Our objectives are solves routine and non-routine problems using data presented in a pie graph. Writes the correct solution using data presented in a pie graph. Be systematic and orderly in doing things. Can you tell me different parts of a pie graph? Number 1. What do you call it? How about number 2 and number 3? The answer? Yes, correct. Number 1 is a title. Sample, favorite color. Number 2, sectors. And number 3, we called it label. Barangay Sikat called for an assembly. There were 800 children, teenagers, adults, and senior citizens who attended the assembly. Study the circle graph below about the composition of the individuals in the barangay gym. Based on the circle graph, answer the question below. What is the percentage of the adults in the barangay gym? How about the percentage of children, teenagers, senior citizens? Which group of individuals in the barangay gym has the biggest number? If you are a resident of Barangay Sikat, what will you attend assembly? Why or why not? Look at the figure. Number of individuals attended the barangay assembly. Based on the circle graph, answer the questions below. A. What is the percentage of the adults in the barangay gym? B. How about the percentage of children, teenagers, senior citizens? Your answer? 15% children, 15% teenagers, 30% senior citizens. Correct. C. Which group of individuals in the barangay gym has the biggest number? Your answer? Correct. Adults. Pie graph, the previous illustration is called a pie chart or pie graph because it was sliced or divided into sections. It is called a circle or pie graph. Let us look at the following examples. Ria surveyed 150 grade 6 pupils on what is their favorite street food. The results of the survey are shown. What is the exact number of pupils who choose each street food mentioned? This is the figure. So we have the title, grade 6, favorite street food. Have turon, banana Q, tempura, kamote Q, and ice cream. There are 150 pupils surveyed. To get the number of pupils who choose each street food as their favorite, multiply the given percent by the total number of respondents we have. For example, in tempura, 22% of 150, you're going to multiply it. So 150 times 0.22. So 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5 is 10. Carry 1. The answer is 0. So 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So 300. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5 is 10. Carry 1. 0. So 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1. The answer is 300. So we just add. So bring down 0. 0. And 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. So bring down 0. So the answer is 33. So remember guys, the answer is 33 for tempura. This is the 22% of 150. For kamote Q, we have 10% of 150 and 10% times 150. Same thing, so we are going to multiply in 150 by 0.10. It's equivalent to 10%. So when we're going to multiply in 0.10, the answer is 15. We get the 15. So 1, 2, 1, 2. So the answer is 15. In ice cream, we have 18% of 150. So 18% times 150, we're going to convert 18% to 0.18. So 150 times 0.18, the answer is 27. The same figure. In banana Q also, we have 30% of 150 is so 30% times 150. We're going to convert 30 to 0.30. We are going to multiply one by one. You can use your uh, calculator to answer it to make it faster. If you get 45, and this is the final answer. How about turon? We have 20% of 150. We're going to multiply also. So 0.20, just multiply, the answer is 30. Therefore, there are 33 pupils who choose tempura, 15 pupils for kamote Q, 27 pupils for ice cream, 45 pupils for banana Q, and 30 pupils for turon as their favorite street food. What is your favorite chicken dish? Chicken adobo? Fried chicken? Chicken tinola? Barbecue? Lechon manok? I have here a problem to be solved. A pool was taken to collect data on chicken menu, preferences of students in school. Each student voted only once. The results of this poll are displayed in the pie chart. The chicken menu preferences of students. We have chicken adobo with 35%, chicken tinola with 10%, lechon manok 12%, chicken barbecue got 15%, and fried chicken got 28%. They choose 28%. So the first question is, what is the circle graph all about? Correct. The answer, chicken menu preferences of students. Number 2, how many sectors are there in the graph? Yes, 5 sectors. Which type of chicken menu do students prefer most? Correct. Chicken adobo. Which type of chicken menu do students prefer least? Your answer? Chicken tinola. Number 5. What percent of the students prefer chicken barbecue? 15%. Right. What percent of the students prefer fried chicken? 28%. You are a brilliant pupil. Suppose there were 200 students who answered the poll. How many students prefer? 7. Chicken tinola is 10% of 200 is equals to 0.10 times 200. Compute it now. Your answer? I do not hear. 20. Correct. You got it. Very good. Next, lechon manok, 12% of 200 is equals to 0.12 times 200. Your answer? Yes, 24. How about chicken barbecue? 15% of 200 is equals to 0.15 times 200. You're right, 30. Fried chicken, 28% of 200 is equals to 0.28 times 200. Answer please. 56. Yes. Number 11. Chicken adobo, 35% of 200 is equals to 0.35 times 200. Answer? 70. Very good, guys. To check if the total number of students is correct, add the answer in items 7 to 11. So we have 20 plus 24 plus 30 plus 56 plus 70 is equals to 200. In number 12, how many more students prefer chicken adobo than chicken tinola? Find the difference. So the chicken adobo is 70 students and chicken tinola is 20 students. To get the difference, or more students prefer chicken adobo than chicken tinola, is to subtract. So 70 minus 20 students, the answer is 50 students. There are 50 more students prefer chicken adobo than chicken tinola. Now, in math challenge, your favorite. Okay, so for our math challenge for this week, check it out, the pie art of this pirate. It shows where he spent his last 200 days. Can you answer some question about his journey based on the pie chart? On the pie chart, we have in city 10%, on ship 30%, in jail 8%, island A 12%, on treasure island 40%. Of the 200 days, how many days did he spend? 1 on ship, 2 island A, 3 in city, 4 in jail, 5 treasure island. And that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. This is Sir Benson leaves you a thought. Keep on studying and your life will be happy. Don't forget to share our video to other grade 6 pupils or teachers out there. Bye-bye and keep safe everyone.